Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am still fairly new at this and trying to figure out how I want to film, if the setups are working. Sometimes I am not able to film in natural light, which right now I think I have enough of, but I've got my candle and a cup of tea, and we'll be planning for the week of the 7th through the 23rd, 17th through the 23rd of December. I don't anticipate this week being a busy week at all, since I will be going away. The only things really that I need to do are pack for my trip. So this week I will be planning with a kit from Organized Magic. It is the Wintery Day Kit, and I am part of her PR team, and so if you are interested in this kit, you can get it. I believe she will be selling this through the 19th. I know she's discontinuing her Christmas stuff, but I'm not sure if that's the winter stuff as well, so I'll double check and let you know and put it in the links below. The kit, let me try to get myself situated here. The mini kit comes with 2 sheets, and it has, let's see, 4 full boxes, and the mini kit is sized for the Erin Condren. Let me start by saying that. So it has 4 full boxes, 4 half boxes, a bunch of blank half boxes, 7, and then 7 quarter boxes as well, headers, habit trackers, long checklist, short checklist, and I guess these are deco, and some rounded corner. I don't know what they are called, rounded boxes. And then you can add on to the mini kit the date covers, which I did as well, and so you'll get all the numbers, and then enough for 1 week, and then a weekend sticker. And I also got additional boxes and half boxes sized for Erin Condren, as well as the washi. The reason why I got the Erin Condren versus the Happy Planner, which she does have, is that I like the bigger Erin Condren washi. The Happy Planner washi is smaller, of course, made to fit down here, whereas, you know, if you know Erin Condren, they have a bigger area at the bottom of the washi. So I like getting the Erin Condren kit because of the bigger washi. And so these 3 sheets are the Erin Condren Borders and Boxes kit. She has this in Happy Planner, and she also has a full kit as well that comes with some ombre check boxes, checklists, and a lot more full boxes and things like that, so you'll have to check that out as well. And the December team freebie right now is this one, which which matches this kit exactly, so I'll be using the freebie kit as well, so we can get started on that. And I also pulled some washi from my collection. I think this Simply Gilded Brown 5mm washi would go well, since there are the cinnamon sticks and these star anise in the kit, as well as these 2 from the Pink Room Co. I'm still deciding about this blue, but probably this pink for sure, since I did not find a good red that I liked in my collection. So first off, when I am doing kits, I like to start with the things that have a place. So by that I mean date covers, because when I'm doing a kit and there's a lot of things that I'm not sure I want to use, but things I know I want to use for sure, I'll start with what I know, because that helps me to be less confused and basically process of elimination. So I think I'm going to start putting down my full boxes. I did a spread. I think it was my last week's spread that I did not do a video for, since I had pre-planned that a while ago. That spread I wanted to pre-plan because my fiance was coming back home for a visit, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it's a visit, not to be home for good. He works overseas, and so I only get to see him every so often, and I'm very thankful for the technology that we have in these days that allows us to talk. FaceTime, Facebook, Skype, things like that. And so I'm not sure where I was going with that, actually, but I think that's, oh yeah, so I pre-planned the week prior to this one, didn't do a video for it, and I really liked how that turned out, the way that I staggered the full boxes and the half boxes, so I think I'm going to try to do that again for this kit this week. Boxes down, I think I want to put down some checklists for, I don't know if that will fit here, 5, not really, so I think I will do the 3 checklists on these days with the half boxes. Like I said, I probably won't use all of these checklists because I really don't imagine this week being too busy, but I will leave some just blank space, I think, to fill in as needed, or if needed. Next up, I think I will lay down some washi. I will use I've never used the big washi in like the middle, so I think I'm going to try that, but first I definitely need to get rid of these pinkish mauve lines, but if I don't get rid of them, it's not a big deal because I do think that the color matches with this kit, and that's one of my favorite weeks when that happens in the Happy Planner, that the color matches with my kit so it doesn't clash too much. So I think definitely for sure I'm going to get rid of this one. This one I may just leave, and so I don't know, I think maybe this washi, I mean I guess I could always use this, but if I'm going to be using this one, I do want some pretty foil to catch the eye. So I'm just going to use my whiteout. So I have this X-Acto knife and it likes to come loose, and which I mean is dangerous, but it's just me using it, so I'm not too worried about it. I've been thinking about getting the slice tool, but to me the blade looks so short that it's hard to tell where it would look like it would be hard to tell where you're cutting without using a guide. And one thing I hate it, which is why I haven't gotten it yet, and one thing I hate about whiting stuff out is that I do not ever know where these line up. So I'm just going to try something new, put it down like this, and hopefully it stays straight, maybe. That way are kind of straight, looks like not, but not as hard as I thought it would be. And it looks pretty even to me. And as mentioned, this washi is from the Pink Room Co. If you've never heard of her shop, Cindy, be sure to check her out. She has some very cool designs in washi. I love this one especially because it has bows, flowers, and little flourishes, I guess you could call them. And so here we go with the washi in the middle. Like I said, I'm going to try and leave some, oh, I don't know, you know, I wanted to leave some room just to write bigger things. I kind of want to put it down here, but I kind of want to continue with this same pattern down here. So we may come back to this washi, and I'll try doing the same pattern, but instead of putting these half boxes, use some empty half boxes. Not empty, but the ones that you can write in. And that way I will be able to use these half boxes with the rest of this mini kit in the future. So, let's see, let's try to stagger where these start. And this is where my camera decided to stop working, and so I'm missing the last about third part of the plan with me. But I want to thank you guys for watching and hope to see you back soon.